Hi friends, let us look at some of the important news. My name is Dinesh Arya and I'll bring every news for all of you. As of yesterday, 35,163 new corona cases were reported all over India. Total number of active cases was 4.50 lakhs. As of yesterday, 37.60 crore Indians got vaccinated. Five states which still account for almost 50% of cases are Kerala, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Yesterday in Mumbai, 558 new corona cases was reported. For last couple of days, number of cases in India is below 40,000, which is very good sign. The UP government announced on Sunday that attempts will be made to ensure that there is a population balance among various communities. The policy aims at reducing the fertility rate from 2.7 at present to 2.1 by 2026 and 1.9 by 2030 by empowering women to take informed decision. Indian Meteorological Department IMD given red and orange alert over Konkan district and Madhya Maharashtra predicting heavy rain till July 15. Firefighters struggled to contain an exploding Northern California wildfire under blazing temperature as another heat wave blanketed the west, prompting an excessive heat warning to island and desert areas. Swashbuckling entrepreneur Richard Branson hurtled into the space aboard his own winged rocket ship on Sunday. Nearly 71-year-old Branson, along with five crew members, which included one aeronautic engineer of Indian origin, took off in Virgin Galactic Space Tour Company rocket and reached 88 kilometers above the New Mexico desert and experienced 3 to 4 minutes of weightlessness and seen the curvature of the earth. The total time taken for this was almost 15 minutes. Prime Minister Narendra Modi urged people to nominate persons who are doing exceptional work at the grassroots level for Padma Awards. It has been observed that many people who are doing exceptional work at the grassroots level are not popular, hence their names are not known. Hence Prime Minister Narendra Modi urged people to nominate such people for Padma Awards. Business activity, which came to almost standstill during the month of April and May due to second wave of pandemic, has now started picking up, and the hiring activity picked up a pace in the month of June in all the sectors. This is a very good sign for the employment in India. Ex-IIT alumni Mr. Neeraj Chaudhary, aged 37 years, who was COVID-19 on the March 27, reached Mount Everest peak on May 31 after recovering from the COVID. Almost about 4 weeks after launching the new income tax portal and 2 weeks after finance minister reviewed this, there are still many technical glitches in the income tax portal which needs to be attempted. This is Dinesh Arya signing off.